what is u?
3x minus 2x squared.
Talk really loud.
You
so
don't
can
have
hear
to,
you.
yeah, it'll pick you up. You don't have to yell.
That's funny.
No, let's not like those little kids.
Oh my goodness, please. I don't watch
I'm
that.
talking really softly. So
Okay, so then u prime is what?
3 minus 4x to that. 4x.
Right? Okay. Alright, so what now?
Then you get F of U.
F of U, and then F
I
prime
don't
of
like
U.
how it's F of U. Why can't we say F of U?
you
Said
sound like
I
a
just said
female.
it.
It's F U.
That feels funny.
Okay, why is it that? Sorry.
Because this is u.
Oh, okay.
I just need a little space there.
Yeah,
Is
is
that
it-
okay?
Is it okay for us to do the parentheses with the?
Sure.
Wow.
Sorry, I forgot.
Okay, so then what I've been doing is just writing dy dx because I'm just letting y equal, God bless you, that function, right? Okay, so dy dx equals,
3
3
squared.
X times U.
times u prime. And then you just fill it in, right? God bless you.
Don't you answer?
Oh, no, where'd that come from?
Yeah, what's that?
That's like the
You
whole
use the
derivative.
root of a fu.
That's not what you
So y equals fu.
That's where that's part of the first part of.
I think
So
I'm
then
wrong.
dy
The
dx,
derivative would be
the derivative of y with respect to x, not respect to u.
And then she
So we've got to do it, so it's the derivative of that times the derivative of u with respect to x.
Oh, that was
She's
just.
just
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I missed the fact that she's.
Well, maybe we shouldn't miss it.
Okay, shh. Okay, don't be silly. Don't be silly. This is math. No silliness in math. So what do we got? So 3
3x
times.
minus 2x squared.
Squared.
C squared. Times 3 minus 4x.
Are you trying to write really softly? I like noticed you're like.
It's so loud. I mean, it is so loud.
You gotta show me.
Clunk, clunk, clunk,
No, you
clunk.
can't be afraid.
You will
Yeah,
hear.
just do it.
Just
Yeah,
B.
Miss Freeman
Okay, so
just
what does
does
this
it.
equal?
Just call him
Okay, AP exam, stop and move on. AP exam free response, stop and move on. Miss Norris's test free response, keep going.
Hey, but you left
Multiple
it like
choice, keep going.
But you
But
left
that. Yeah, you left it like that.
What was I thinking?
So you
Well, I don't
Well,
know,
you
so-
actually just put
so
it together.
I
stop
don't
and
think
move
you
on.
were.
Yeah, you have to stop and move on because the answer keeps.
Don't lie to me.
Leave it like
Didn't I do this though?
No, I looked
Yeah,
at
you
it.
did.
Yes, you
I
did.
checked my.
Yes, you did that, but isn't that the same thing? Can we stop and move on?
Yeah. Okay, I'll let you. I was gonna do it
Well,
as
that's what you
9
did. So.
9 minus 12, but it's fine.
So
Okay,
next
never
one.
mind. Never mind. Leave it. Move on.
How would you like it on the
Leave it and move on.
Leave it. Move on.
Wait, Miss Norris. So
But if it was negative exponent, I would expect you to take care of that. Yes. What?
Never mind.
Is that what you were gonna ask?
No.
What's the matter?
I was just gonna say, could we just do 9 minus 12x and
Yes.
then leave it?
Of course.
Alright, cool.
Wait a second.
What?
So we get to leave.
Just stop and move on.
Okay.
Oh, what? You just put that one in front? Just put
Okay, I'm sorry, but I really don't understand the 3u squared.
Good.
The 3 what?
U squared.
I could
What's
just
the
put it in
derivative
front
of
us.
u cubed?
Eyeball it.
U 2
I didn't hear you.
squared.
3u.
3u
3u
squared.
squared. Okay. Thanks.
You're being recorded.
And then
Okay.
she put u.
And then times u
This
prime
is
because
time. Yeah, I got
because
you.
we're not taking it with respect to u, we're taking it with respect to x. So.
What did you say? That was rude.
Nicole, I mean Sophia and Rob.
Everything
Are you gonna do that now? You're rude.
Okay, children.
I love you.
The recording heard you say that. I hope you feel guilty.
Okay. All right. So what is this? I would rewrite this first. Rewrite this. So it's what?
X minus 1 is relative.
2/3. Because the squared is the numerator of the rational exponent. The cube root is the denominator of the rational exponent.
And then like
Right? Okay. So u equals what? And du equals what? Which du is just u prime,
2x.
right? X minus du dx, x minus du, and so that equals 2x. And that's with respect to x. That's the derivative of u with respect to x, u dx.
How did we get to the top one? We took the cube root thing away to the 1/3
Mhm.
power and then multiply by 2.
Mhm.
No. I'll kill you, Grant.
Alright, what now? We have that on the recording, so
That's
$10
what
million.
you-
if something happens.
He said he would
Hey, now we all
like
know.
16 times.
Okay, so y equals fu,
Wow.
Equals. You to the 2/3.
you do 2/3. You do not have to keep writing this. Hopefully you're gonna get to where you can see the chain rule without having to go through all of these steps, right? So, and I'll do one, we'll walk through one and I'll show you, okay? But you can write it, this is just a way to be organized. So then y prime, dy dx,
2/3 u to the negative 1/3.
yeah, and look, if you're looking at my other solutions, you gotta make sure that I am getting my exponents and stuff right, because I did find a couple errors and I reviewed it. I fixed them, but there may still be.
So do we have to write it out like that?
No, you can go
Oh.
straight to doing the derivative.
No, I mean like I'm talking about like I just do fu prime and then I just write 2/3 u to negative 1/3. I don't add that part. So that's
Right,
wrong.
is when you're taking the derivative with respect to x. No, I'm not gonna grade this. This is us just getting organized, right? What I'm gonna grade is what comes here. I'm gonna go looking for y prime dy dx. This equals, right, something like that. And then you're gonna write 2/3 x squared minus 1 to the negative 1/3 times 2x. And that's the way I do the chain rule now. I've done it enough, right? And so hopefully you can get to that where you don't have to do any of this here and you're just writing that, okay? But if you got it organized, don't fret. That's fine. Yes, ma'am.
So you'd want us to simplify that out and put 2/3 x squared minus 1 under cube root in a fraction?
Yeah. So it's going to be
I
4
wrote that really weird.
4x over 3 times the cube root.
So you want us
Of
to do
x
cube root
squared
and
minus
not
1.
like
You could leave it as to the 1/3. Just be careful that you don't write it in the denominator as negative 1/3.
And how many to 4?
2 times.
Multiply across.
2 times 2x.
So make it the cube root.
Okay. So this on the AP exam is fine. I prefer that you go here on my test. And it's the algebra that makes chain rule difficult. Right? Now when we get into the ones that have multiple chains, okay, the calculus can become hard there too. But it's really the algebra. Okay. Alright, questions?
Maybe. Let's go. No, I'm gonna go.
You're not done?
I'm not done.
Okay. Oh, that's all the room I have. I don't know where my little button is for me to be able to change colors.
Don't you have to like?
It's on the right side. That's on the left.
Click
It
the
was
pen
over
thing.
here.
Maybe. it's good for them.
Yeah, because I thought you like clicked
It
that.
was over here.
Yeah.
Little
Yeah, because this is not like
headphones.
Cause this brown.
Cool.
is
It's
kinda
cool.
or you.
No.
You.
So.
Oh my
Because I just can't stand it all being the same color.
Anything else
Also,
with
this
color?
is a gross color. Yeah.
Because it's so
Yeah, it looks like
brown.
poopy.
Well, I didn't take off the whole side.
Wow.
I think you pressed that.
That one? Right, that's what you meant, right? Great. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, get our pen back, and we want to rewrite this, because this would be a nice quotient rule, but I want to use chain rule because the instructions told you to. So oops,
Wow.
just d, no, dx. And that's going to be 7 times 2t minus 3 -2, right?
But isn't
To
it
do chain rule, yeah.
But I thought you could just do 7 over.
isn't it d over dt?
Yes, I have a typo. Typo. This should be T.
So if it was ever like that on the test,
You're gonna
we said-
fix it. You're gonna ask me and you're gonna fix it.
Yeah,
We're
you
all
should.
gonna get a point for disrupting the test.
Awesome.
Wait, but if we didn't ask, would we just put cannot do because we just put 0 or whatever?
I'll write a smiley face and then I'll put a 0. It is. You have you can do it. See, that's where it would be wrong. You can do it. What would it have been?
0.
0.
What about
What
the
she
0?
would do is she'd make a smiley face out of your 0. Like, yeah, let's just go with that.
Okay, so what is you?
Oh, 2t minus 3.
So what is you prime?
Two.
2.
Wow.
So y equals fu. I love this part of the class. Equals what?
I wish it wasn't funny every time you said it, but it is. Like, I wish I didn't laugh, but I did.
Okay. Excuse me. So now y prime is what? dy dx. Right, 7 times -2. You can go ahead and do -14. I just, for the people who need to see all the steps, right? Which sometimes is me. Times, right? So that's going to be -14 times 2. So we're going to get, yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is wrong in the notes.
Yeah, it is.
What did I write?
7 times -2 times 2t minus 3 raised to the -3rd times 2.
No, but that would be right because then once you multiply all the 2's, it would be.
But did I simplify or did I write it as -28?
You got it as -20.
Oh, I thought, I felt like I did it as 7. Anyway,
So
okay.
you want
I
us,
think it's good.
you want us to fix the negative, right? Like-
Yes, please. Right, I want you to be mature mathematicians. Again, on the AP exam free response, you can leave it there, but on Ms. Norris's test, I expect you to get rid of that negative. Okay. Unless I tell you that you do not have to simplify, and I might. If it's something that's going to be gross or take a long time. Okay, y'all good with these? Are you feeling all right?
I do D subdivisions.
D. D. All right. So what is U here? This is d dx of sine x squared. Right? That squared goes with the sine, not with the x. Correct? Okay. So U is sine. So du is what? Cosine x. Right?
Okay, so.
Yeah. So this is what I do. Y prime equals 2 sine x, that's the derivative of the outside, times cosine x. So when I'm doing it, I just go ahead and do it without, not writing it using all that. So, if you can see it, do it. If not, keep organizing. Okay? Do you see where everything came from? This is f prime of u, and this is u prime. What? It is the double angle identity if it was sine of 2u, sine of 2x equals, yeah, but not with derivatives.
So would you just leave the 2 sine x cosine?
Yeah, 2 sine x cosine x. It could be that on multiple choice it would then say sine 2x, but that really is a trig question then and not a calculus question, right? And I know that you're supposed to know that, and you do need to know your double angle identities. Oh, I forgot to do the ones. We'll do those tomorrow. All right.
Wait.
Yeah, that's it. We're done.
Can you scroll back to the 0?
See? So we want to contrast D, where we got 2 sine x cosine x, with E, which is extremely similar, except that this is the sine of x squared. So what is U?
X squared.
And so U prime is
2x.
2x. Okay? So now y prime is the derivative of the outside. What's the outside function?
Sine.
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 So we're going to go ahead and start with cosine. That is the derivative of fu times the derivative of u. And you'll just rewrite that as 2x cosine x squared. Vastly different, right? So it is very important for you to make sure that you've got the exponents on the trig functions with where they belong. Okay? Yay! Easy peasy, right?
So what's the final answer?
The final answer is 2x cosine x squared. What questions do you have so far?
I like this.
Yeah, Jingle is pretty fun, right? Pretty fun.